So we have four barriers of innate immunity. First one is first one is physical barrier. Second one is physiological barrier. This is also known as biochemical barrier. And third one is cellular barrier. And fourth one is cytokinesis barrier. So these are four barriers in innate immunity. We will study these one by one in detail. So let's start with physical barrier. Okay, so in physical barrier, first we have skin. Skin is outer layer of layer of epidermis, which is made up of some tissues. Made keratin cell or dead cell. Uh, dead cell. Now it prevents entry of many bacteria and viruses. Prevent entry of many bacteria and virus. Skin covers 15% of weight of our whole body. 15% weight. And it is impermeable. Because some cells are present, keratin cells, dead cells, and other cells too. Melanocytes are present which produce melanin. Present Lenin. Okay, so number second is mucous membrane. Mucous membrane, which make the mucus secretion, uh, and the three place. This mucus secretion is present in respiratory tract, digestive tract, and reproductive tract. Okay, so now tell that our physical barrier is done. Now let's move toward the physiological barrier or biochemical barrier in detail. Okay, so physiological barrier and biochemical barrier, like here we will study about tears, saliva, mucus, inside. These are the lysosome enzymes, and their function is to degradation of bacteria. Got it? Now sweat. Okay, tears we all know that are present in eye, saliva, in mouth, mucus we studied that in respiratory tract, digestive and reproductive tract. Now sweat gland which are present lactic acid in sweat gland, which means put acid, pH of skin acidic. Skin pH is acidic around 3 to 5. So sweat will stop the growth of bacteria. It will stop the growth of bacteria. Now, okay, so now another is sebaceous gland. Sebaceous gland. We secrete oily sebum. We secrete sebum, which is oily substance or oily secretion. Because in sebaceous gland fatty acid is present, fatty acid is present, which prevent the growth of many bacteria and fungi. Prevent the growth of many bacteria and fungi. It's done. Okay, so now second is also done. Now let's see the cellular barrier in detail. Okay, so now third is cellular barrier. Cellular barrier, first we have polynuclear lymphocytes and white blood cells, WBC, and phagocytes, others also known as macrophages. Okay, now phagocytes divide into three. Make here. Then number one is Kupffer cell, unlike liver cell. Second is dust cells and lungs. Number third is neuroglia and nervous system. Okay, now functions of these three is to kill microbes, Okay. Neuroglia work as to make the primary immune system when pathogen is there. To make primary immune system when pathogen is there. Okay. And the cells, these are to kill the RBC if there is any destruction. To kill RBC, red blood cells, if there is any destruction. Okay, so now this is done cellular barrier. Our fourth one is cytokinesis barrier. Our cellular barrier is done. Now cytokinesis barrier. Okay, so now cytokinesis barrier, which have some proteins like interferons protein that kill the to kill cancer. Now the cells which make interferons proteins, they are already affected by virus. Okay, let me write the cells which produce interferons protein, they are already infected by virus. Interferons protein to protect the surrounding cells of infected cell. Like our one cell is infected, so we make the interferon protein to protect the surrounding cells of infected cell. Okay, to protect surrounding cells of infected cell. Here our cytokinesis is done, cellular barrier is done, physiological barrier is done, and physical barrier is done. Now these two starting one, physical barrier and physiological barrier. These are the first line defense. First line defense. And cellular and barrier are the second line defense. Okay, so it's done. Thank you.